Hello and welcome back. Steel Pittings here once again, and I'm going to try and get this in for Stock Lock Sunday. We'll pan on down without wasting any time, and we'll see what's down here on the table. Is this gorgeous little 770/40 Burg Wachter Alutanian. Titan. I don't know how to pronounce it. There's the bidding on the key. It's a bit of a down up. Got a couple low ones. Is a 5-pinner. There's one here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the Guardians and one at the tip. Works lock beautifully. And we see that it is quite the tight little keyway, which means we're gonna have to work off of this ledge here, which is quite the chore. We're gonna try and do it in hand with the bottom of the keyway tension because, well, we're not using that part of the lock. Get myself comfortable here. Works good. This is a broken 23 thousandths from the Praxis set that I have filed down and honed down, put a little bend at the tip for my light use tight keyways. One's loose, 2's loose, 3 loose, 4 loose, 5 loose, no, 4, here comes 5. There we go, and that gave us a tiny movement on, and there's a lot of movement. So now we're in a false set. We're just going to bounce around and feel for any counter rotation. We know there's 2 low cuts in here as well. That feels like counter right there. Number 1. Yep, that got her open. I love picking these locks here. I have another one here. It's another Burg Wachter. It's a 270/50. And it's a Burg Wachter Karat or Carat. There's some info on the company. And this one is not quite as nasty as a keyway, but it is a little more nasty of a pick. Every one of these is a spool. And again, with the bidding on the key, it's a little up down. Nothing special. Let's see if we can get into this one too. And we'll call it Burg Wachter Sunday. We'll see what we can do here. I don't have faith in myself though. One feels loose. Nope. You notice how I wind up, check this out, I wind up bending my picks like that, just like Bill Picardi says he does. Small world, right? Two drops us in a false set, give us a little counter and set. 3, a little bit of counter and set. 4 and set. See if it's still on her. Yeah. Kitty's deciding they're hungry right now. You know how that goes. Some bitch dropping out of frame anyway, right? Keep it overset. Oh my god. See what I mean by this one being much harder? I'm gonna start that over again. And finally, right? Yeah, that one's much harder, but a fun little pick. And you know, when you put them on camera, they tend to get a lot harder, you know. Anyhow, that's what I have for Stock Lock Sunday. A couple Burgs. Y'all please stay safe. Always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until we meet again, peace.